Hello, good morning, class. There's something going on and we need to address the elephant in the room. Elephant, come inside.
I first feel.
This boy reported to me that his money is missing.
Hello, hi everybody.
When did you discover the money was missing?
It was after the assembly.
I don't understand why they look me.
Are you sure you saw the person that stole the money?
Yes, I saw him.
And who is that?
Yes, it's OSJ that stole my money.
Bam.
Wait. What's going on here? Asao now.
Shut up your dirty mouth, you unlubricated human being.
Sir, I swear I did not steal anybody's money. I don't even know how to thief.
Sir, he's lying.
I saw you buying yam and bread after assembly. Where did you get the money?
Yam and bread?
Sir, I swear it's my father that gave me that money. I swear to God.
Sir, he's lying.
I know. And you are not present during assembly?
Yes, sir.
That means you stole the money to go and buy food to eat.
Sir, is yam and bread food?
Sir, I swear it is not me.
Are you with us on the assembly, yes or no?
No, sir.
Did you came late?
Yes, sir.
Did you buy food, yes or no?
Food?
Yes, and respect my choice of food. This is 2025. We have freedom of food.
Did you eat it?
Yes, sir.
Is it sweet?
Yes, sir.
Who gave you the money?
My dad.
Are you a thief?
No, sir.
Have you ever think of robbing a bank before?
No, sir.
Imagine you don't have food, will you thief?
No, sir. Never.
What if it's a life and death situation, will you thief?
Yes, sir.
Officer, you heard it. You have the right to remain silent.
Sir, but I didn't do it, sir.
Shut up your mouth, let's go. So class, thank you for your cooperation. I'll be in my office. Hello class, good morning. So today we are going to learn, hold on. Why is there a pussycat in my class?
Because my dad wants to kill it and eat it, so I have to bring it to the class.
Your dad told you that?
No, last night I heard him talking to my mom. He told her that if I go to school today, he's going to eat it.
Wait. Are you wait?
So this is love. So this.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
So class, Messi was sweeping the compound. What kind of sentence is that?
Uncle me.
Yes, go on.
Compound sentence.
So class, today we are going to... Yes, why are you coming to my class late?
Sorry, sir, my parents were fighting.
How does that concern me? How's that a valid reason?
My mom was using one leg of my shoe to beat my dad, so I have to wait. Eh?
This place is smelling like fish. Let's just look for somewhere else and go. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yes, before I forget, has everybody submit their assignments about a man traveling from one country to another?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. You, OSJ, what did you write in your own story?
At the beginning of my story, I wrote that a man was riding a horse. And at the end, I wrote that he reached his destination.
Oh my God. Okay, so what did you write in the middle?
At the middle, the horse was doing chakatak.
Hello class, today we are going to do a spelling bee. You can spell plantain.
Which one?
I don't understand which one. What are you saying?
Well, we have ripe plantain and unripe plantain.
Oh Jesus, come and take control.
Sir, which one I should spell now?
Just spell it. Ripe plantain or ripe plantain. Just spell anyone.
No, sir, it doesn't work that way. Just tell me which one I will spell. For ripe plantain, when it's fried, it's called dodo. For unripe plantain, when it's fried, it's called plantain chips. And if it's roasted, it's called bole. So which one should I spell?
See. Just spell anything. Just spell anyone, please.
Sir, please, you have to choose one. I don't have time.
Oh my goodness. Okay, spell dodo.
Sir, I don't know how to spell that one. Choose another one.
Excuse me. Are you okay? Okay. Don't panic. Okay, spell the other plantain called chips.
I also don't know how to spell that one. Choose another one.
Okay. Calm down. Don't show your true color. Okay. I believe you can spell bole. Spell bole for us.
Okay, sir.
BALLUS. Bole.
OSJ, can't go buy me salt.
Okay, mommy, I dey come.
OSJ, can't go buy me salt now.
Mommy, I dey play game now. Send Juliet.
I know they. Pause the game. Pause that game.
Mommy, they don't dey pause this game now online.
I say pause that game.
Mommy, now online game. They don't dey pause.
I carry you for 9 months and you're talking to me.
Yes, you carry me for 9 months. Am I supposed to carry myself? I don't understand.
Enemy spotted.
Good afternoon, ma. How much salt and Maggi? No, only salt. Don't know, we were sleeping.
Come, are you stupid? Is it me you're talking to? Are you normal? What's wrong with children of nowadays?
Sorry, sir. My bad. I thought...
Stop talking and sit down properly.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
So, class, today we are going to learn English language in English.
Wow, very interesting.
You say?
Sir, teach. Nobody talk to you.
So, class, today we are going to learn present tense and future tense. If I killed a person, it's past tense. Who can tell me what is the future tense?
Sir, me.
Okay.
The future tense is you will rot in jail.
Don't run.
Hello class, who can solve this math?
Sir, me, I can solve it.
Okay, come and solve it.
Okay, 30 minus 28. Okay, 0 minus 8, it cannot go, so I'll write the 8. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Sir, the answer is 18.
Are you stupid? Where did the 18 come from?
Ah, sir, are you blind? See now, 0 minus 8, it cannot go, I write the 8. 3 minus 2 is 1, so the answer is 18.
How can 0 minus 8? You cannot borrow 1 from 3.
Sir, when you reach your turn to solve, and if you borrow 1 from 3.
Good afternoon, ma. Thank you for visiting Wala Junior High, the school of problem and possibility.
Good morning, sir. I don't understand what is happening in this school again. Why are you increasing school fees every year for a child that doesn't have future?
Is it what?
Yes, ma. Apologies for the inconvenience, but we'll not really send you for here.
Excuse you?
Mommy, now so in the no get manners.
It's your father that don't have manners.
Eh?
Seriously, ma, Tinubu is to be blamed for this. Plus, our school has many infrastructures now. We have technology department, we have chemical department. The students can invent plenty things. They can be productive and they can explore the world. They can be the next Elon Musk. They can be the next Mark Zuckerberg. They can be the next Tinubu. No, Tinubu, not Tinubu.
Technology
They can do
department.
many things.
This boy can't even spell his name.
I understand your frustration. Also,
How do you expect him to invent anything?
I understand your frustration, ma. I also know he doesn't have a future.
Good. Can you just reduce the school fees a little bit? The country is very, very hard.
With due respect, ma'am, I will not reduce it. Do your worst.
Excuse me?
Mommy, I will just go find another school.
This school is too expensive. 100k a month for a useless child.
Hey. Wait, 100k a month? School fees is 5k for one semester.
5k?
Don't kill him, oh. That's my job. So, class, between money and brain, which one will you choose?
Uncle, me,
Yes, go on.
I will choose the money.
You see how stupid you are. It's better to get brain. Me, I'll go for brain.
Well, everybody goes for what they don't have.
Don't run! Put it there! Don't run!
If you move,
Your mama is so poor, she can't afford to pay attention.
your mama is so poor, beggars feed her.
Your mama is so poor, she's trapped inside her trash can.
Wow, okay, my turn. Your mama is so poor, she only has one clothes. Wow, very funny. Your mama is so ugly. When she joined the most ugliest women competition in the world, she was rejected because professionals are not allowed.
Let him cook.
Okay. Your mama is so ugly, Dora cannot explore her. Now, how is that? Your mama is so stupid. When thief enter your house, she runs to the kitchen to call 911. Okay, and what's wrong with that? She used microwave. Your mama is so fat, she eat like a pig. Your mama is so fat, when she goes to sleep, she carry a ruler so she can know how long she slept. Who just laughed? I said who just laughed that laugh? Are you people deaf? I said who laughed that wicked laugh? Your mama is so fat, when she goes to the zoo, the hippopotamus get jealous. It's your turn. Who asked you to talk? In fact, OSG and Prince, come outside.
Sir, what did I? Sir, I didn't do anything. What the hell is this happening, man?